Find the roots of the quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here, you have to split the middle term x. We get 6x square minus x we get plus 3x minus 4x we get minus x minus 2 as it is. In this, you have to take x and 3 as common. 3 into 2, 6x square plus 3x 1 is 3x minus 2. In this minus 2 as a common factor, you have to take minus 2 common. Minus into minus, minus into plus minus, 2 into 2, 2 to the 4x, 2 1 is 2. Here factors are 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 you have to shift to the right hand side, it becomes minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next, 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 2, you have to shift to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore the roots of the equations are x is equal to minus 1 by 2, x is equal to 2 by 3. Thank you for watching.